Hi, welcome to the channel. This is the Law Diary. Now, a young girl was cooking today and I decided to record her so I can show you how she's going to cook her sauce. She's cooking okra with silver fish. Now, when you're cooking okra, you start by chopping it into pieces. Yeah, you cut it into pieces and then you put it under the sun for it to wilt. So by wilting, it helps remove the bad smell from the okra. So you can leave it under the sun for about 30 minutes. Yeah. So as the okra wilts, so you can leave the okra wilting under the sun as you make fire. And because by the time the fire will be ready, the okra will also be ready for cooking. And then you start cooking straight away. Now she's making fire using charcoal on a stove. This is our local way of lighting fire. We use polythene for making fire. So as the fire sets, you can be sorting out your silverfish. Now, for us, most of the silverfish that we buy in our local market, it comes when it's really dirty and soily. So before you start cooking, you have to sort them out. If not, you're going to be finding these small snails. Yeah, the small snails, and also very many stones. So you have to sort them out before you can start cooking. So after sorting them out, you wash with either warm water, and then you can also soak it. You can soak it for about five, no, for about 10 minutes before you can start cooking your silverfish. So far is ready and everything is all set. She's about to start her cooking. Now, mark my word, I did not say this is the only way that okra can be cooked. You can cook okra in different ways. Other people prefer it with fish, but me, I personally love it when it's cooked with silver fish. Yeah. Now, this bottle in her hand, this is cooking oil in that bottle. For us here, like when you buy juice or when you when you buy juice or after drinking that juice or soda, like any bottle, you don't throw away the container. You can keep the container maybe for keeping salt. Like this one is a bottle for amarula, so the amarula is done. So they're using the bottle for keeping cooking oil. So when the cooking oil is ready, yeah, usual procedure. You now put in the onions, you cut in the tomatoes, you mix them together before proceeding with other steps. So it's always better when you first start by putting in the silver fish yeah, into the oil, so the oil can blend well, so it can fry the silver fish well before you can pour in water or any other thing. So Yeah, she's first putting in the silver fish so it can fry and blend well with the cooking oil and the onions. Then afterwards, she will now add warm water. Yeah, okra, you're not supposed to cook okra with cold water. The water has to boil fast. Yeah. So when the silver fish is now ready, you now pour in the warm water. Now she got the water from the flask. It's already boiled, so there's no question on that. Yeah, so straight away, because the water has already boiled, after pouring in the silverfish, you now bring in the okra, and then you give it a good mix, and then you cover. Now, when you're cooking okra, in our way, like you don't keep stirring, the okra. If not, it will break into smaller pieces, which we don't like that. But that's our okra. After cooking, it has to cook as whole as it was cut. We don't want this slimy soup. Yeah, so the food is ready, and it goes so well with this is ugali. That's the best language everyone understands. Thank you so much for watching. Next time, bye bye.